Hello my friends and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing another face chart recreation. It's from the same artist that I did my last one. If you haven't checked that out, I'll have it linked at the end of this video. But this is what we're going to be recreating. I like to call it a purple glam look, and I am very excited because there's like blues, pinks, and purples. I am very excited to recreate this, so I want to throw on some music and let's just jump on in to this video. But first, I need my coffee. of by.sully's face chart. Now, is it exactly how the face chart is? No, but that's kind of like the point of the series, is that I want to test and like, I don't know the words, like see how far my makeup artistry can go. I am still growing every single day, every single look, and this is with using products that I already have in my own makeup collection without using too many. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassy Maddie YT, same it's spelled here, both Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Who knows how long TikTok's gonna be around. Kind of sad about that, but you know, maybe something else will come along like it usually does. But with all that being said, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.